the current thing. And this is ultralight, which is obviously not ideal for fighting this thing. I don't know if you can see it, guys. There it is. There it is. Okay, guys, we got it in. Guys, this is a fat carp. Oh, wait, this actually might be my biggest carp ever. Wait, it looks smaller in the water, guys. Hold on, let me get a better hold on this thing. Oh, it looks big. Oh my gosh, it's fat, guys. Okay, guys, biggest or second biggest carp ever, 9 pounds, 9 ounces. Get it back in the water. Oh my